guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the beauty community tag, and I feel like I haven't done a tag in such a long time. And I remember back in the day, tags used to be so popular, and I just wanted to, do a tag. I thought it would be fun, get to chat with you guys. That way you guys can get to know a little bit more about me and what I think about the beauty community. And I'm also going to be tagging some of my YouTube friends down below. So if you're watching this, make sure that you check my description bar just to make sure that you are tagged. And even if you aren't, go ahead and film the video and go ahead and let me know that you filmed it, and I will be sure to go and watch your video. Just thought that I have a lot of thoughts and different opinions on the beauty community, and I feel like nobody really talks about it, and I feel like this is a good way to actually come out and talk about it. So if you guys want to know my thoughts, the questions, and all that stuff, then go ahead and keep watching. Just say I'm wearing like a MAC lipstick, and I haven't worn a MAC regular lipstick in such a long time. I'm always wearing like liquid lipsticks, and I'm constantly scared I'm gonna get it on my teeth, because before I was filming this video, I was like making sure my hair was okay. I actually saw lipstick on my teeth, and I was just like, this is the reason why we don't wear actual lipstick anymore. That's why we went to liquid lipstick. So the first question is, what are your favorite videos to watch? Now, I watch so many different categories of YouTube videos. I watch, editing tutorials and photography tutorials. I also watch cooking videos, beauty videos, workout videos, or like working out, like stuff like that. What else do I watch? I watch hair videos a lot. I actually follow a couple of just strictly hair videos. What else do I watch? I think that's pretty much it, but I watch a lot of different stuff. I even watch like car videos too, which I actually just started getting into, but I do watch like several different videos. But I think that the category that I would have to say out of all the YouTube categories that I do watch, I think my favorite one would have to be like decor videos. I forgot to mention that I do watch a lot of decor videos. I think that decor videos are some of my favorite, just because like I just have so many different dreams of everything that I want to do, not just with beauty, but along with the decor and graphic designing and editing and all that stuff, that I just have this like vision of me doing like decor videos, like not just like decorating my own room, but like decorating like for weddings and like proms and like quinceas and stuff like that. Like I really want to be like a wedding planner in a sense, but like strictly with decor. One of my favorite hobbies outside of doing YouTube and makeup and all that stuff is decor. I love decorating. Like if you give me like a space to decorate and tell me, okay, I want this color, this color, like I will be more than happy to like decorate it for you. Yeah, so that's something else that I really love doing on the side of YouTube and all that stuff. I really love decor. You guys can tell like by my room, if you've seen like my room tour and all that stuff, and also if you follow me on Snapchat, you'll just see like I just love decorating. Like I can go into a Home Goods or whatever and just like shop and just look at different decor stuff for days. Question number 2 is, what are your favorite videos to film? Okay, so as you guys know, if you've been here on my channel for a while, I do all types of beauty videos, but to be honest, the main videos that I love to film is anything sitting down and talking to you guys. And I know I really don't do those videos too much, just because like I always struggle on like what to film like sitting down, but I really want to film or start a series where I get ready with you guys and like do my makeup and have like a coffee talk kind of thing, and you guys will give me like a topic and I'll just talk about it, and it can be like anything. But I haven't really like organized that too well yet to actually start filming those videos. But if you guys would enjoy something like that, definitely make sure to let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, those are like some of my favorite videos, is just sitting down and talking to you guys. I think it would be like more of a Q&A kind of thing is what I like filming for you guys, because you guys get to know more about me, you guys get to interact with me, and I just think it's like so much fun just like know more about a person. Okay, so question number 3 is, what are your least favorite videos to watch? To be honest, I can't really like say, because if I don't like watching a video, I just exit out of it, you know what I mean? But I would have to say, I don't know, like that's a really hard question, because I even like watching vlogs too, and I think vlogs are definitely so personal, and I love watching those type of videos, and I actually like vlogging too, but I don't really know. I don't think I have an answer for this question, because like I said, I don't really have anything on YouTube that I don't like to watch. So question number 5 is, what is your favorite part about the beauty community? And I think I would have to say, like, just the fact that you get to express yourself with makeup, like, if that makes sense. Like, it's this whole other like online thing where you could just express your makeup and just like not care what other people are thinking. Like, before I started my channel, it was really hard for me to like express my makeup skills without doing videos, if that makes sense, because I would, you know, do my makeup and whatnot, and then I would go outside into the public, and some people didn't really understand the whole like makeup thing. And this was like 4 years ago, but now it's of course a lot different. Like, if I go out into the public and I have my makeup fully done, like, I get so many compliments. But before, it was just like people would look at you like, dang, that girl wears like so much makeup, you know, I wonder what she looks like without makeup, kind of thing. And it was always like a negative vibe towards makeup. But now it's definitely like this whole online thing that girls just come together and just really like put all their creativity into like these videos and these makeup looks, and you know, Instagrammers, and they just like all come together and enjoy the same thing at once. And I think that that is super cool and unique, that it just brings women together to really express their creativity, you know, through makeup. And it's just like so fun. Like, I love going through the beauty community and finding new people to watch. I just think it's so fun, and I love when like bigger YouTubers come onto my channel and like just give me that support, because, you know, they were there in my place before, so they kind of know how it feels to be like a smaller channel. And there's definitely girls out there that's reached out to me that have a bigger, you know, audience. That there's girls out there that are willing to support you even though that they have a bigger audience. And I think that there's so many like sweet girls on here, and I just love that we all love the same thing at once, you know what I mean? Like, it's just definitely a happy place for me. 6 is, what motivated you to start your channel? I don't know, like, there's definitely a lot of things that did motivate me to start my channel, but I do eventually like want to sit down and do like a story time video of how I started my channel, why I started my channel, the whole background of it. But I would say the main thing that motivated me is because I started watching YouTube videos like back in like 6th grade, 7th grade. I never knew that you could make a career out of this. I never knew you could get paid from it, any of that, when I first started my channel. I just literally did this just to, you know, show my makeup skills and how I did my makeup. I think the main thing that really motivated me is watching Cutesy Girl 9. Now, we never really like connected, like really talked to each other, but I know that she does watch my videos, and also I watch her videos. We both follow each other on Instagram. But I think the main thing that like really motivated me is when I first started watching her, I saw that she was, you know, a college student. She was trying to go to law school, and she was also doing her hobby on the side, which I thought was super motivating. When I first got out of high school, I literally did not know what I wanted to do with my life. I didn't go to school right after I graduated or anything, and I was just kind of in this place where I was kind of stuck. Like, I didn't know what I wanted to do. And at the time, I had moved away from my hometown. I moved to a completely different state, and I was kind of like all by myself and kind of like, I guess you would say, lonely, because I didn't have any of my friends to, you know, share my creativity with, you know, with makeup. So I was watching her, and I was like, you know what, you know, she's a college student, she's going to school to be a lawyer, and she's doing YouTube, which is something that's like unique. You know, I want to be able to share my makeup tips, you know, as a hobby, even if it's not something that I want to do with my life. It's just something that will keep me busy. It's something that's going to be a hobby. So I remember the first day I started my channel, it was after I graduated, and I literally just pulled out my iPad, I turned it on, and I filmed my first ever video, which it is privated. So if you go on my channel and you go all the way down to my first video, it is privated, just because, I don't know, I feel like super cringeworthy when I do watch it, because it's just like, oh my god, like, I was so shy to be on camera and all of that stuff, but now it's definitely different. But yeah, that was the first time I ever filmed my video, and she was mainly the one that motivated me to start my channel. And I've told her this in the past, But yeah, if you guys don't know who she is, I will link her down below. She reminds me of Vanessa Anna Hudgens, and I think that she's such a good person, such a sweet person, and she's definitely one of the role models for me here on YouTube. It's a little bit different, but kind of touches base with the last question, and it says, who inspires you on YouTube? Now, I want to say like 5 good friends here on YouTube, but I think the main one I would have to say is kind of obvious. Tanya actually really inspires me on YouTube, just because like I know her more on a personal level. You know, we've hung out together before, and yeah, she's like the main one that has inspired me, because I've just seen her come from like such a small place to such a big place, and that definitely inspires me so much, because I started watching her when she was like, you know, at my audience right now. Like she had like, I think like 3,000 4,000 subscribers, and the first time I met her, she was just like so humble and stuff, and I've seen her, you know, have this place in like her closet where she would just film, and then now she has, you know, this whole thing by herself, and I just think that that's super motivating and inspiring. So yeah, I would definitely have to say Tanya is probably #1 that inspires me here on YouTube. And if you don't know who she is, I again will link her down below. Okay, so question number 8 is one thing you could change about the beauty community. I would probably have to say the fact that everybody, like all the girls, well even guys that do the beauty community, they always, like, everybody is, it's like a big competition to everybody. Like they're trying to see, you know, who has more subscribers, who makes better content, it's like constantly just this like big competition of who's gonna get there faster. And that is something that I wish I could change. Like I wish that everybody would just stop trying to like compare themselves and compete with everybody. You know, YouTubers where they like start talking crap to each other, and it's just like this whole thing that's like so unnecessary. So I think that that would be something that I wish I could definitely change, is the fact that everybody tries to compete with each other. So question number 9 is one advice for other creators / new people starting a channel. So I think that everyone pretty much says this when they when they're giving advice for somebody to start a channel, but I would definitely have to say, for one, is that you have to definitely have the patience. Like if you do not have the patience to, you know, make videos and constantly put out videos that you know that you're not really gonna have, like, you know, 1 million subscribers at once or 1 million people watch, then it's definitely not gonna work out. You're gonna give up on making videos so quickly it's not even funny. So #1, I would have to say that you do have to have the patience. Another thing what I would have to say is being yourself. Like being yourself on YouTube is such like a piece of advice that I could give you guys, just because if you're trying to be somebody else, your audience is definitely gonna know that. Like I've seen people here on YouTube that try to act like, you know, Bethany Moda or you know, Jaclyn Hill, and it's just like you don't want to be like a copy of that same person, because we already have that same person to watch. You know, we already have a Jaclyn Hill to watch. Why would we want to watch another Jaclyn Hill? You know what I mean? So I would definitely have to say being yourself is like #1 key, and 2, having the patience. Okay, so question number 10 is what do you love about YouTube as a whole? I have to say that, you know, YouTube has definitely come a long way from where it used to be. Like I remember people used to just watch YouTube videos just to watch them, but like you wouldn't really get anything out of it. Like people would just make it for fun, and now it's actually becoming like a career, something that you could actually choose as a career. I think it's a fun way to, you know, do something that you love but also, you know, get paid for it. I do not like that people just do it for the money, but I do like that, you know, if you do have a hobby like this and you want to make it a career, you can. What I really like about YouTube is that they have a place for everyone, if that makes sense. Like if you love doing cooking, you can do a cooking channel. If you love doing gaming, you could do a gaming channel. If you like doing photography, you could do a photography channel. If you like doing beauty, obviously you can do a beauty channel. Like there's something for everybody. I have to say the biggest, you know, category for YouTube is gaming, and I think beauty is probably the second one. But I mean, other than that, you could pretty much make anything you want on YouTube. You know, there's even comedy channels out there. So I just think that it's cool that there's a place for everybody on YouTube, and that is something that I love as YouTube as a whole. But I also really love that they do events for YouTubers. I think that that's really cool, and it's a cool way to connect with the people that watch you. I've been to about 4 is it 4? Yeah, 4 YouTube events, but I definitely want to go to other events that aren't just beauty. Like, I really want to go to Playlist Live where there's vloggers and gamers and, you know, everybody that loves doing YouTube. But yeah, that's something that I would have to say definitely, is that there's a place for everybody on YouTube, and anybody could start a channel, which is super cool. Okay, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell down below. That way you guys can be notified every single time I upload. I do upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. Definitely make sure to check the description bar to see if you're tagged. And like I said, if you aren't tagged, definitely make sure to let me know if you do film videos and you do want to do this tag. That way I can go ahead and watch your video. But yeah, other than that, that is it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!